Hello folks out there in YouTube land, this is Anita and I'm here to tell you that I carrot for you. You don't have a food processor and you need to shred carrots? No problem. This is why I need to show you how much I carrot for you. And yes, it is corny, very corny, but we do need some levity here on YouTube. So, follow the rest of my video and you will learn something that probably has been on the earth since before the dinosaurs roamed, or at least since I was 23. Thank you. We have approximately 3 large carrots that have been chunked, and I am going to put those into my half-full blender of water. So the key here is you don't want to overcrowd the vegetables. Then we are going to put the top on and pulse the carrots. So after a few seconds you'll have a look to see what they look like, and if you want them rather chunkier you will at this point strain them. In this case, I want to make a carrot cake, so I'm going to let them go a little bit longer. A little bit at a time, and they are starting to look like they're pretty good for carrot cake, but I tend to like them a little bit finer than this. So one more short pulse, and then that's it. You will then remove your lid, and this will get taken off somehow. Sorry, wrong way. And with this, we are going to take the blender and then we're going to pour this into a colander that's been either placed in the sink or in this case on the table for purposes of demonstration. And so finished product looks like, and the only downside is that they will have to drip for a couple of hours before incorporating them in my carrot cake. And if you don't want them to drip, you can put them in a clean tea towel and wring it out really well until there is no more water left in. That is my tip for today, and just bear in mind you can use this on other vegetables, but if you're doing peppers, do them all together. If you're doing celery, do it all together, and you have to judge the amount of time that you're going to pulse your blender, and then again you have to go through the draining process. So I hope this has been a helpful tip for you. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, share, and hope to see you very soon. We'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Channeling my mom there with her music. Thank you very much for watching my video.